Welcome to Jharkhand, the land of forests. Mesmerizing abundance of nature. Vast accumulation of natural resources. Rich legacy of contributing to India's economic foundations. Preserving a vast and diverse tribal culture. And with diverse offerings, Jharkhand is a haven for various tourism activities, shaping India's future generations with quality education, a breeding ground for future sports persons. Come, experience the sheer richness of nature and culture, diversity of tribal heritage, traditions and craft, and progressive development and growth.